Hello everybody, back again with another build today. Going to be working on a 2017 Corvette Grand Sport from the assembly line. Looks really nice. Let's get it all unpacked and see what we're dealing with. Here's a good shot of everything unpacked from the box. A few decals. Think I'll go with the chrome rims on this build, as usual for me. There we go. I'll get you some picture of the instruction booklet that came with it. All right, I'm still at it. It's coming together pretty good. Got the seats in. Still got a few more steps to go. But it's looking better than it did when it came out of the box. And this one is a lot of fun too. It really is. All right, let me get back to work. Well, all right, I got it finished. So let me take a few more pictures of it where you can see all the way around is good. And I'll try to find a place to park it up on my shelf. All right, so hang around with me. We'll be right back. All right, I found the Corvette a parking spot. Looks pretty good sitting up here on the shelf with the other rides. Really like the looks of this. Love the blue seats. Nice. All right, I hope you enjoyed this one. Remember, check back with me. I've got 3 or 4 more coming up pretty soon. Gonna have to find a bigger shelf for long. All right, thanks for watching. Y'all have a good one. See you next time. Bye.